The saying, everybody talks about the weather, but nobody does anything about it, isn't exactly true. Satellite imagery and computer modeling have significantly advanced weather forecasting. Talk about the weather, and you're talking about short-term conditions in the troposphere, the region of the Earth's atmosphere closest to the surface. Temperature, humidity, wind, precipitation, pressure, and cloudiness are the basic elements that interact to create the weather. Everything from the high clouds and rising pressure of a pleasant day to the high winds and rain of an intense circular center of low pressure called a tropical cyclone, or a hurricane when it affects North or Central America. Weather over long-term periods is called climate. Climate is dramatically influenced by latitude, the distance from the equator. That's because the Earth's axis is tilted 23.5 degrees from the vertical. That tilt, the Earth's rotation on its axis, and its 365-day revolution around the Sun result in the seasons, the Sun's rays hitting different parts of the globe in varying strengths throughout the year.